CFI is India's leading coaching services provider. As a part of our coaching services, we manage hundreds of coaching engagements that are taking place concurrently. A typical coaching engagement is an engagement between a skilled coach and a leader over a period of 9 to 10 months typically, having about 8 to 9 sessions. It is important for us to manage the progress, track and monitor it, and provide reports to the client on a periodic basis. Therefore, it is imperative in our business that we have a very robust workflow process management system to manage these engagements. We were using a client-based system which was built a few years ago, which I'm talking about the year in 2017-18. At that point in time, the biggest challenge that we were facing was that the vendor who developed the application for us had serious business challenges. He lost his qualified team, and therefore the SLAs that he committed to us with respect to product enhancement and support was falling apart. The turnaround times were just absolutely just not in line with what was. Very soon we realized that we had to kind of look for a far more sustainable solution, and therefore that led us to exploring platforms with software as a service. So we're looking at a cloud-based system, and in the process of looking for a suitable platform, we had some internal consultations with some of our coaches who had some good technical knowledges, and some of their experiences led to kind of assessing the power of Zoho Creator. So we had some initial discussions with the Zoho team, and after that, getting a little bit of confidence that this could be a potential platform on which to build our application. They had then led one of their partners to come and have a discussion with us. 3 to 4 months for them to configure, have dialogues, build it, and then bring it to the beta stage. And finally, we cut to go live around the January 1st of 2020. Over the last 3 odd years now that we have been using it, I must share that it has been a very, very robust and a reliable platform. We have hardly had any outages of any kind. It has been configured very, very user-friendly, and the support that ITK has been providing has been remarkable. They kind of understand the business that we are in. They're able to kind of come out with some proactive solutions and suggestions. For example, recently we had a discussion about the dashboard, and they did bring out some very, very insightful dashboards for our consideration. So on the whole, I must say that the migration from a legacy client-based system to a very futuristic platform like Zoho has been a rewarding and a fulfilling experience for us. This is the core of what we track and monitor and discuss with our clients. So at the heart of what we do is we have a very nice system that has been extremely friendly and reliable with us. And like I said, now the journey forward is that yes, we do have some upgrades going on, and that happens every quarter. We have also now used and adapted the Zoho platform for managing our Future Leaders program, which is also a team-based coaching activity. That program has also been brought into its fold, So I think overall the confidence on the application and the technology has been very good, and we are very, very happy as a customer of ITK to have kind of understood and developed this application for us. Thank you so much.